Question number 3 is about the projectile motion. First of all, you have to observe that the projectile motion is distorted. If there is no air resistance, the path of the projectile motion should be symmetric, like this. And now the path is compressed to the left. It means that the air resistance is significant. So when the body is moving downward, there is an air resistance opposite to the velocity acting on it. Of course, it has a weight. So these two forces combined together and becomes the net force. So the net force must be between them in this direction. So the only possible direction is B. So the net force is B, and the answer is B. Thank you.